Hey everyone, what's up? It's July 10th, 2024, and guess what? It's Samsung Unpack Day. They're about to unveil a ton of new gadgets in Paris, including the foldable phones, new watches, and of course, the hot ticket item, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. But wait, before the official reveal, we got our hands on some leaked images and videos. Let's dive in and see what these bad boys look like. Whoa! Check out these first leaked images of the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. The design is insane, way sleeker and more comfortable looking than the Buds 2 Pro. Samsung definitely went all out here. This premium finish and compact design just screams long listening sessions without any ear fatigue. Now, onto the leaked unboxing video. Even the packaging looks sleek and modern, and the way the buds are presented inside, man, that's gorgeous. Huge upgrade from the Buds 2 Pro. The charging case itself is crazy compact, transparent, and stylish, with what appears to be a USB-C port for super fast charging. Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, looking good so far. Alright, based on the leaks, here's what we can expect. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are rumored to have top-notch active noise cancellation, crystal clear sound quality, and a battery life that will keep your tunes pumping all day long. Music lovers, rejoice! So, what do you think? Are these Galaxy Buds 3 Pro shaping up to be the ultimate earbuds of 2024? Leave a comment below and let me know what feature you're most excited about. We'll find out everything for sure at the Samsung Unpacked event later today, so stay tuned because I'll be covering all the announcements as they happen. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your tech-loving buddies. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tech-savvy.